Southern Greene County, southeastern Taylor County, northern Adair County, north central Metcalfe County, until 6:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 7:45 a.m. At 3:39 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 4:39 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Liberty, Dunbar Hill, Neefly, Casey Creek, Leodesville, Yuma, Barnett Springs, Pelham, Holmes and Absher. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, or 7:45 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Adair, Casey, Greene, Metcalfe and Taylor.